This video is brought to you by Saraswati Vidyalaya Union and this is Prapti. Today we are going to study about the conducting system of heart.
Now the next concept we are going to study, that is known as the conducting system of the human. Conducting system of human heart. Now in the human heart, as I have already told you, this muscle is the pumping of the human heart, which is controlled by the muscles. Okay, and that muscles which are known as the cardiac muscles. So that's why means it is not dependent, means this systole and the diastole, means the contraction of these muscles and the relaxation of muscle, it is not dependent on the nervous system. So on what it is dependent? It is totally dependent on these cardiac muscles. That's why that human heart, which is known as the myogenic. Myo means what? Muscles. Genic means what? Generator. Means this contraction and relaxation is generated by muscles only. That's why it is known as the myogenic. Now here, this human heart is there. So this human heart, so is showing the autorhythmicity. Shows this autorhythmicity, means there is a relaxation and the contraction of the muscles are there, so it is generated by its own rhythm by these special muscles. Okay, so that's why it is known as the autorhythmicity. Auto means by the self, okay, by itself. Rhythmicity means they are controlling that action. Now here for the conductive system, so there are the specialized tissues. There are the specialized cardiac musculature called as the nodal tissues. These nodal tissues are present, and these nodal tissues which are distributed, what I am saying, the specialized cardiac musculature, that is known as the nodal tissues, and these nodal tissues is distributed throughout that heart. Now here, which are the nodal tissues are present? See that, such as the first nodal tissue is there, that is known as the SA node. Second nodal tissue is there, that is known as the AV node. Second nodal tissue is there, so that is third nodal tissue, that is known as the bundle of His. Okay, and the fourth nodal tissue is there, so that is known as the Purkinje fiber. These are the nodal tissues which are distributed throughout the heart. In this, the part of nodal tissue. Now let's see, I'll show you this diagram. Okay. Now, this part was, this is the human heart. Here it carries the deoxygenated blood, it carries the oxygenated blood. Okay, here human heart is divided into the 4 chamber. Okay, this is the right auricle, right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Okay, these are the 4 chamber. Now see that the first nodal tissue, that is known as the SA node. So here, this SA node is located in the right atrium, wherever there is the opening of the superior vena cava. Okay, here the superior vena cava opens, it carries the deoxygenated blood. So at this region, this SA node is present. That node which is known as the sinoauricular node. In the examination, you can ask position. What is the position of SA node? So it is located where? For the filling the blank purpose, it is important. It is located in the right atrium, in the upper region of the right atrium, wherever the superior vena cava opens. Okay, so then this SA node. Then the next one is what? That is known as the AV node. So this AV node, see that this AV node is located here, means just above the atrioventricular aperture, just near to that auricular septum. So this is located here. Okay, so here this SA node is there. This SA node, which is known as the pacemaker. In the examination, question can be asked you why this SA node is known as the pacemaker. Because this wave of contraction starts in SA node. The wave of contraction starts in SA node. That's why this SA node is known as the pacemaker. Okay.
Wave of contraction starts in SA node. You can see in video. It is shown in detail.
Then there is the AV node is there. So this AV node, so which is known as the pace setter of the heart. Pace setter of the heart. In the examination, see that this is a new topic which is included in this syllabus. Always the question was asking about this pacemaker. But now this year they can ask you why this AV node is known as the pace setter. Because this AV node, which is present in the right atrium near the base of interatrial septum, and it is very important for the pace setter, means for the contraction of that muscles.
See this wave of contraction which starts in SA node, then it transfer into the AV node.
It is playing an important role. So now from this AV node, then the muscles, that nodal tissues which comes into the interventriculum septum. This is the interventricular septum. It divides, means it whenever it is present in the interventricular septum, so it is known as the bundle of His, or you can say that His bundles. These His bundles carries that contraction from the AV node. Then this bundle of His, then it enters into the wall. It gets divided into the left and the right. So that left and right fibers are there. These fibers are known as the Purkinje fiber. Means wave of contraction generates here in the SA node. That's why SA node is known as a pacemaker. Then this wave of contraction enters into the AV node. From the AV node, it enters into the bundle of His. From the bundle of His, then it enters into the ventricle. It enters into the ventricle through these Purkinje fibers. These Purkinje fibers are there which are present in the myocardium, that middle region of that heart. Okay, in that middle region, means in the cardiac muscle it is present, and that's why this heart is responsible for the contraction and the relaxation. So this is about the conductive system of heart. These are the 4 topics which are very important in the conductive system of human heart. Okay, so here as I have already explained you, so these all the branches which form a network of ventricular walls. Okay, and these are very important for ventricles contraction. So with the help of this Purkinje fiber, with the help of that bundle of His, so that ventricles contract simultaneously. Okay, due to that SA node, that auricle contract. After that, then it transmitted towards the AV node. So due to that, then ventricles start to contract. Okay, so this is about the conductive system of human heart.